Hi Arrowsmith, my name's Isha. I'm from Sydney, Australia. I'm 19. I did the Arrowsmith program, I did the cognitive intensive program for 6 weeks in 2016 in the summer period, and I also did a year's worth of Arrowsmith in 2017. I can honestly say that it was probably the best choice my parents ever made sending me to it, because I wouldn't be where I am today without it. Before the Arrowsmith program, I had very low self-esteem and very little confidence in myself, all attributed to my time in and out of hospital, but mostly because that time in and out of hospital was spent missing school. And I have had a rough time at school, even through high school. I didn't like high school, but without the program I probably wouldn't have finished high school. I probably wouldn't have done my HSC, my year 12 exams. Without the program I probably wouldn't have gotten into university. I'm currently at University of New South Wales, one of the most prestigious universities in Australia, because of the fact that the program helped me so much. I'm currently doing a double degree. I'm doing Bachelor of Media, majoring in screen production, and a Bachelor of Social Sciences, majoring in international studies. My whole life completely changed because of the program. It's one of those things where I can't really describe it in words, but it's done so much for me. I've become the person who I am today because of it. There was a time where I couldn't articulate myself. I still struggle with that today, as you can probably see through this video. I still get nervous when talking about things. My handwriting used to be atrocious, it's still pretty bad, but it's legible nowadays. I couldn't do... There's a lot of my life where I think back before the program and I try to remember what I couldn't do, and nowadays it seems so simple, so easy, the fact that I couldn't do these things. And it was just with this cognitive programs that has been created, I'm able to now function properly. And I'm not saying I couldn't function before. All I'm saying is that it really helped rewire my brain, and I'm really thankful for that, because I couldn't imagine how my life would have been different, because it's a remarkable program and I'm ever grateful for it. If you're struggling with the program, I know what it's like. It was really difficult. It was hard, but stick it out, because at the end of the day it's all the more worth it.